Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marsha, and today this is what's jumping in my pot: shrimp scampi tetrazzini. Let's get to the ingredients. Heavy cream, salt, black pepper, chicken broth, minced garlic, dry white wine, unsalted butter, fresh lemon juice, all-purpose flour, crushed red pepper flakes, panko breadcrumbs, grated Parmesan cheese, chopped shallots, sliced baby bellow mushrooms, chopped parsley, shrimp. I already peeled, deveined them, and washed them. And I have a pot here with spaghetti. I already cooked the spaghetti according to the box. So now this is what we do. I have a pan here. I'm going to put some unsalted butter in the pan, melt it. Now the butter has melted, so we're going to add the shrimp to the pan. Now I have this recipe, the shrimp divided up into 2 parts. It's 2 pounds of shrimp. 1 pound you saute, and the other pound, you'll see what I'm going to do with it later on. And we'll let these saute on this side for about a minute, and then we'll flip them over and let them saute on the other side for another minute. Let me check and see if they're ready to flip. Yes, they are. We're going to flip them over and cook them on this side for a minute. After we cook them on this side, we're going to take them out. Okay, now we're going to take them out. Now let's move on to the next process. We're adding the mushrooms. We're going to saute the mushrooms for about 5 to 6 minutes. Yeah. Now we're going to add some black pepper, and a little salt. We're going to add the shallot, the garlic. Come on, garlic, jump in the pot. Now we saute this up together and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Now it's time to add the red pepper flakes. Stir this up together. Now it's time to add the white wine. We add just a little chicken broth. Then we cover this up and let it simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now it's time to add the shrimp back in. And the heavy cream. We let this simmer together now for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then we come back and proceed to the next step. Now it's time to add some more butter. And we take the flour and we sprinkle a little bit over the sauce. We got to constantly stir it so it don't lump up. We cook this about 3 to 4 minutes until the raw taste of the flour disappears. Now we're going to add the lemon juice. We're going to stir this up. Turn it on low and let it cook until the sauce thicken up from the flour. Yeah, the sauce is bubbling up. Now it's time to add the pasta. Let the pasta jump into the pot. I just transfer it from the saute pan to the bowl so it could mix evenly because I have to now add the Parmesan cheese. Let the Parmesan cheese jump in the pot. Now we mix all of this up together. We thoroughly mix this up. Now I'm transferring it from the bowl into the baking pan. Now we're going to come back and move on to the next part of making the dish. We're going to set this to the side. This is what we do next. I have some melted butter here and some panko breadcrumbs. I'm going to mix the butter and the panko breadcrumbs together. These are the second half of the shrimp. And as always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. I have salt and black pepper on this shrimp. Now we're going to lay the shrimps on top of the pasta. There. Now that the shrimp are laid out on top, we're going to take the panko breadcrumbs and butter and sprinkle them over the top. Then we're going to put it in the oven and let it bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or longer, depends on your oven. I've taken it out of the oven and I've plated it up. Shrimp, scampi, tetrazzini. Enjoy. I would like to thank all my viewers for subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting on my videos. And I hope you will continue to do so. And I will see you soon in another video. Bye.